Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious and authentic pad thai, one of Thailand's most iconic dishes. So, let's dive right in. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1. Lime 2. Vegetable oil 3. Crushed peanuts 4. Tamarind paste 5. Shallot 6. Garlic 7. Fish sauce 8. Sugar 9. Rice noodles 10. Eggs 11. Chicken 12. Bean sprouts 13. Cilantro 14. Chili peppers. Now, let's start cooking. First, cook the rice noodles according to the package instructions. While the noodles are cooking, let's prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add 1/2 cup of shallots and 1/2 cup of garlic, and cook until fragrant. Then, add the chicken and cook until it's no longer pink. Now, it's time to add the noodles. Pour the sauce over the noodles and chicken, and toss to coat. Cook for another minute or 2, until the noodles are tender. Finally, top your pad thai with crushed peanuts, bean sprouts, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. And there you have it, a delicious and authentic pad thai. Thank you so much for joining me in this cooking adventure. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this scrumptious dish. If you liked this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!